Dito ang harap ha.
Good afternoon, dear panel.
We are the Buhay Builders Incorporated.
Presenting to you the Tagaytay Mar-a-Lago Pavilion Inn, offering you same amazing view in a whole new experience. A quick glance on the wonders of Tagaytay.
Ano mo, ipakita mo. Tumingin ka sa slide para malaman mo. Ititigil ko naman dyan sa yung pinakamalenggulo.
From the hilltop, 6,500 feet above sea level, Tagaytay Mar-a-Lago can give its guests a commanding panoramic view of Taal volcano and its lake. Tagaytay Mar-a-Lago Pavilion Inn is located at the Ridgeview Central Area, 6,500 feet above sea level.
Pwede kang tumingin sa slide para malaman mo na nagbibilang ka ng dalawang tingin.
Mar-a-Lago Pavilion Inn is a 5-story lodging structure with a roof deck to serve as pavilion for functions and events. Mar-a-Lago Pavilion Inn offers lodging services combined with event center facilities. The structure houses. These are the features and
Sige, tuturo ko mamaya kung paano isasabihin na.
amenities.
Ayos na.
The Pavilion Inn is a 200 square meter covered roof deck with activity tables and chairs, plus the audiovisual and mobile sound system. The innovation aims to target the Class C to Upper B local tourists, yuppies, groups, peers, or barkadas, and families.
Tama lang na.
With this kind of business, we were able to see a window of opportunity from the historical demand in the past 5 years.
Average.
As seen on the chart, a 4% average growth from 2003 to 2007 is presented. And from the determined demand gap, we are targeting to capture the 78% potential market, which is also equivalent to 2.5% of the Tagaytay tourism industry.
May 3 point.
2.5 lang nakalagay sa
Hindi. Sa pangalawang slide ko yun.
Sige.
Ayusin lang natin yun.
We are bringing Tagaytay Mar-a-Lago Pavilion Inn closer to the awareness of our market. Through this marketing action plan, we will be utilizing newspaper ads, leaflets and brochures, also tarpaulins for a year-round advertising activity. Signages will be placed in specified strategic sites. Also, we will maintain a website and email account for online inquiries. Also, billboard advertisements will be utilized. Ayoko na nga! In line with this marketing attack, we will also use extensive marketing tools like exposure and exchange deals with various types of media, as well as co-marketing with the help of travel agencies. Also, discount packages are designed to generate clients that will later on equate to patronage among clientele. With this listed in mind, Mabuhay Builders Incorporated also considered financial factors. And from this, using financial assumptions and projections,
Ayan na. Naka-video ba?
and from this using projections, we determine the payback period with a 3-year accumulated cash flow of 30.1 million,
Bumaba yan, nasa 7
subtracted
minutes yan.
to 35 million from the initial capital, which resulted to us an amount of 4.8 million. And for the 4th year of cash flow, amounted to 13.9 million,
the 4.8 million was divided over 13.9 million, resulting to 3.35 years of payback period. Through this, the viability of this Tagaytay Mar-a-Lago Pavilion Inn was also determined. With 69 million for the total 5-year cash flow, divided by the 35 million initial capital, this resulted to a profitability index of 1.7. Therefore, thus showing that this is a viable business. This ends our presentation.
That's in our
That
presentation.
ends our presentation.
Thanks
Thank
for
you
listening.
for listening.